In this video, I will show you how to add staff on Square Appointments. So to do this, open up your Square Appointments account and then here click on Appointments. Now from here in the left menu, you will see Staff. So click on that, and from here you should see yourself and it should say Owner, and you can also see the amount of services that are bookable for you, but just click Add Staff in the top right. Then here enter their first and last name and a display name, and then you can also upload a photo of them if you want, and people that are booking in will be able to see that. Then here enter their work email, phone number, and you can choose a color for this person's calendar. Then here you can also choose their permissions, so manager, front desk, service provider, or team permissions. I'll say this is a service provider. Now for custom staff permissions, you will need to get their premium plan, but in this case, I'll just leave that open. Then here in the online booking section, you can do bookable by customers online. You can turn that on or off. So if it's a front desk employee, for example, then they probably don't need to be bookable by customers. Now here you can choose which services these people provide or this staff member provides. For example, if this one only cuts men's hair, then I can just select that one. Now you can add a biography to them and you can manage their hours right here. Then you can also set up notifications for them, such as emails, SMS messages, and you can notify the owner of appointment activity. So then click Save, and you have now added this staff member to your Square Appointments account. So now you know how to add staff to Square Appointments. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.